Congratulations, Troy Matthews. 100.9 Triple Z FM, Telstra Countrywide Sports Star for September. And now a contender for Sports Star of the Year. Looking to rent or buy the latest movies and games on DVD or video at the best prices? Video Easy's got you covered with stacks of quality guaranteed X-rentals for sale. Video Easy.
Family, what you're up to is easy with the Nokia 6120 Classic on the Telstra Next G network. Especially now the video the price of
still that long.
Oh, you want to see another one now?
I gotta go now, buddy. Catch at work.
Oh, can you see that?
For a demonstration at Telstra Shop today. For new customers on
Well, this is easy. You're taking 10 to 20% off everything. Not enough. 10 to 50% off. That's right. Hurry, don't make the Rufflers a really big sale. 10 to 50% off everything store-wide. Rufflers, love you lot.
The new improved child support scheme starts in July 2008. And during October and November, we're writing to all separating parents registered with child support agencies, including those with private arrangements.
Each parent should check the care information in the letter, and this will be used to work out the new child support system.
Make sure it's balanced with both sides of the story. So look out for that.
To update your address details, you can call 1300 88 5437. That's 1300 88 5437.
You can go to www.australia.gov.au/CSA. The new child support scheme, a better balance for separated families. Authorised by the Australian Government, Canberra, spoken by Amy Carrot and Aviary.
Australian was injured in a roadside bombing. Defence Force Chief Air Marshal Angus Houston says the second soldier is recovering from his injuries.
And evacuated to a nearby International Security Assistance Force medical facility by helicopter. His wounds were initially classified as serious but not life-threatening. I'm pleased to advise that he is likely to make a full recovery and return to work in the near future.
A house fire has turned deadly with a 2-year-old body found after the blaze on the Sunshine Coast this morning. Its fire man was able to assist 2 children out of the house